Here is the beginner-level product management quiz based on idea generation and market research, product strategy and vision, and concept development and validation. Idea generation and market research. 1. What is the first step in product development? 1. Market research. 2. Product launch. 3. Sales strategy. And 4. Customer service. Answer: market research. 2. Which of the following is a key technique for identifying customer needs? 1. Brainstorming. 2. Surveys and interviews. 3. Product pricing. And 4. Discount offers. Answer: surveys and interviews. 3. What is the primary goal of market research? 1. To increase sales. 2. To understand customer needs and market gaps. 3. To develop advertisements. And 4. To finalize product pricing. Answer: to understand customer needs and market gaps. 4. Which method helps in analyzing competitors' strengths and weaknesses? 1. SWOT analysis. 2. Sales reports. 3. Product surveys. And 4. Customer service ratings. Answer: SWOT analysis. 5. A good business idea should be 1. Unique and customer-driven. 2. Expensive to produce. 3. Based only on competitor strategies. And 4. Hard to communicate. Answer: unique and customer-driven. 6. What is the purpose of creating a customer persona? 1. To set financial goals. 2. To understand target audience behavior and preferences. 3. To track revenue growth. And 4. To finalize product features. Answer: to understand target audience behavior and preferences. 7. What does a minimum viable product (MVP) include? 1. All final product features. 2. Only essential features to test market demand. 3. A complete advertising strategy. And 4. A long-term business model. Answer: only essential features to test market demand, product strategy and vision. 8. What is the main purpose of a product vision statement? 1. To describe how a product will achieve business goals. 2. To define pricing strategy. 3. To develop a marketing campaign. And 4. To create product specifications. Answer: to describe how a product will achieve business goals. 9. Which factor is most important when setting a product strategy? 1. Competitor pricing. 2. Customer needs and market trends. 3. Advertising budget. And 4. Social media presence. Answer: customer needs and market trends. 10. What should a product roadmap include? 1. Product features, timeline and goals. 2. A list of competitors. 3. Only marketing strategies. And 4. A company's financial reports. Answer: product features, timeline and goals. 11. What does product positioning help with? 1. Setting product launch deadlines. 2. Differentiating the product from competitors. 3. Choosing a sales team. And 4. Reducing manufacturing costs. Answer: differentiating the product from competitors. 12. A well-defined product strategy should align with 1. Business objectives and customer expectations. 2. Social media trends. 3. Employee satisfaction surveys. And 4. Manufacturing costs only. Answer: business objectives and customer expectations. 13. Which tool is commonly used to define a product's unique value? 1. Value proposition canvas. 2. Balance sheet. 3. Profit and loss statement. And 4. Project timeline. Answer: value proposition canvas. 14. What is the role of a product manager? 1. Developing sales strategies. 2. Managing the entire product lifecycle from idea to launch. 3. Handling customer service requests. And 4. Focusing only on product design. Answer: managing the entire product lifecycle from idea to launch, concept development and validation. 15. Why is concept validation important? 1. To ensure a product meets real customer needs before development. 2. To reduce advertising costs. 3. To finalize branding colors. And 4. To develop customer service policies. Answer: to ensure a product meets real customer needs before development. 16. What is the purpose of prototype testing? 1. To create the final version of the product. 2. To test and refine product concepts before full production. 3. To check marketing campaign effectiveness. And 4. To assess customer loyalty. Answer: to test and refine product concepts before full production. 17. What is A/B testing used for in product development? 1. Comparing 2 versions of a product or feature to see which performs better. 2. Determining product pricing. 3. Managing inventory levels. And 4. Selecting a product launch location. Answer: comparing 2 versions of a product or feature to see which performs better. 18. What is a key benefit of conducting customer feedback sessions before launching a product? 1. Identifying potential product issues early. 2. Increasing manufacturing speed. 3. Setting sales targets. And 4. Improving employee performance. Answer: identifying potential product issues early. 19. Which of the following is not a validation technique? 1. Customer interviews. 2. Prototype testing. 3. Ignoring customer feedback. And 4. Focus groups. Answer: ignoring customer feedback. 20. What does a product market fit indicate? 1. A product satisfies a strong market demand. 2. A product is priced correctly. 3. A product is visually appealing. And 4. A product has high manufacturing costs. answer, a product satisfies a strong market demand. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.